Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Sound and Vibration. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. Lastly, tap on Vibrate on top and adjust intensity of that vibrations by tapping on one of those options, like medium. You can also disable them completely by selecting off at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!